New beginning, new mindset, new focus, new start, new intentions and new results. I wish you all the best and have a great day. Hello and welcome to Shimi's Kitchen. I'm Shamela from Chennai. So today let's make moist and juicy BBQ chicken roast. I'm going to explain you step by step, so please watch this video till it ends. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up below, subscribe and share this video with your family and friends. So let's talk about the recipe. I love roasting chicken because you get amazing flavor and crispy skin, and this BBQ chicken has become one of my family's favorite recipe. So let's see how I make this. Let's start. Bismillah. First step is to make deep cuts on the chicken as shown in the video. And next I'm going to massage this with 1 tablespoon garlic paste as directed. And next season with 1.5 teaspoon salt. And now squeeze 1 lemon on it and massage well. Keep this aside for 20 minutes in refrigerator. And now after 20 minutes, place this chicken in a baking dish. Pour 1 cup BBQ sauce and massage it again as shown in the video. And next I'm going to sprinkle some finely chopped coriander leaves and rub it all over the chicken. Next step is to add veggies like capsicum, red bell pepper, carrot, beans, yellow pepper on the sides. And next I'm going to marinate this chicken for 6 hours or overnight. And now I'm going to add melted garlic butter on top of the chicken and veggies. अगर आपके पास गार्लिक बटर नहीं है तो आप गार्लिक को ग्रेट करके बटर में डाल के मेल्ट करने के बाद आप इस पे डाल सकते हो. Now I'm going to place this in oven, preheat for 250 degrees Celsius and roast this for 60 minutes. Once done, transfer this chicken on a baking tray. Pour the veggies and the remaining stock on it. And now apply some more BBQ sauce with some finely chopped coriander leaves. Again, roast this chicken for 15 to 20 minutes till the chicken is cooked and browned on all the sides. And now remove once it's done. Keep it aside for 5 minutes to settle down. Now place it on serving plate, slice and serve the chicken with veggies and other side dishes of your choice. The most delicious BBQ chicken baked to juicy perfection is great for dinner. So make sure you guys try this recipe and let me know how it turned out for you. And that's a wrap. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and we'll see you next time. Take care and have a nice day.